changing, but also valuer can access to some of the latest data that the EV doesn't. Even the property is not settled. Now, if you know your neighbors sold the property like 200k above the EV, and your property is even superior than their property, then that's kind of a signal that probably do a valuation. It's probably kind of help you to boost the equity significantly. And also, when the valuer goes to inspect the property, it's probably best to let them know which property sold for how much, because they may not aware the sales records. As long as you give them an address and indicative kind of sale price, they can contact the agent and find out the evidence how much and so forth, so they get the best possible value. Right. So these are the three options. If you're still looking to buy a rental property and you struggle with enough deposit equity. Right. Finally, I just want to quickly use a case study to illustrate.
Boy, that escalated quickly. I mean, that really got out of hand fast.
It jumped up a notch.
It did, didn't it?
Yeah, You fuckwit.
2.1 kilometers.
You fuckwit.
Scottscarcamera Road.
What the fuck are you doing? You're the bottom.
I know that we are young, and I know that you may love me, but I just can't be with you like this anymore.
Wow, baby. Así que no puedo.
Son, have you used drugs in the last 48 hours?
Oh, drugs? Yes, sir, all the time.
Choose from a North Otago. Can I have a term holiday program available to?
Fuck, are you just fucking nuts? Please, why don't you just fucking go? Fuck, weird.
Baby, you a song, you make me wanna roll.
fucking climb.
You little asshole.
Oh my god. Red. That was so red.
For every person, I'ma hit him with the love gun of Freddie Mercury. Like, I came here to get you off. I came here to lose it. I came here to shake shit down. Just when you think I can't get my back and fuck it up.
Fuckhead.
Well said.
Turn me inside out.
Fucking hell.
You can't be on the road then a pedestrian, you fuckwit.
This guy fucking lane filtering moving traffic. What a fuckwit.
Wow, caught on camera straight through the red light. Didn't see his number plate, unfortunately.
You son of a bitch.
You dick!
Shit! Far out! You right, Sophie?
On your hero. Fuck are you doing?
And which is like a higher profile.
What are you doing, bitch? Are you fucking for Fucking hell.
More than a home, it's your home, and you can see it today at Housing World at Wongawilli and Nowra. 17 multi-award-winning builders in 2 locations, with an amazing range of options to create your new single-level and double-story home on display, showcasing the latest trends for kitchens, bathrooms.
As of this instant, Junior, we're in hot pursuit.
Single-level and double-story home on display, showcasing the latest trends for kitchens, bathrooms, and entertaining areas. Every budget, every lifestyle. Amazing locations for kitchens, bathrooms, and entertaining areas. Every budget, every lifestyle. Amazing locations. Explore it now at housingworld.com.au and Housing World Wongawilli and Housing World Nowra.
What the fuck are these cyclists doing? What the fuck is going on here?
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
I should know that I'm in the wrong, swerving and merging where I don't belong. My 2 best friends are my cat and my mom. Yeah, I'm a psycho. He's a psycho.
Good on you, mate.
Woo!
That was good.
And that's all, folks.